look ahead from the Forewarned Storm Team. Looking out for you.
What a change 24 hours can make here in the forecast across the state of Oklahoma. This wet and rainy weather I'm tracking is going to last here for the next couple of days, even as we head into this weekend. And so far here for Oklahoma City, I've been tracking some pretty good rainfall totals here across the state. We've had one bullseye pretty much across central Oklahoma. I'll show that to you now. And yes, as you can see across central parts of the state, a quarter, a half, even over 1 inch of total rainfall so far recorded at the Norman Mesonet site. And across western Oklahoma, another batch of showers and thunderstorms is developing. So as we head throughout the next 24 hours, this map right here is really going to light up with additional rainfall because I'm tracking more thunderstorm chances as we head into tonight. And unfortunately, all this rainfall did not do anything really to impact the allergy report because look at this. Now, yesterday there was some grass pollen registering, so I guess it technically washed that away. But for the rest of the allergens, that stubborn ragweed pollen, the mold spore count, those are still high. And the worst news of all, that elm pollen, the elm tree pollen, that's in the alert category once again for this afternoon. So even though we had all that rainfall, near record rainfall for some parts of the state, didn't do a good job of washing away any of the pollens. So, okay, here's the storm zone for this afternoon and for tonight. Pretty much all of Oklahoma will be under a threat of severe weather, but this yellow shaded area for central and southern parts of the state, this is where we'll see the highest potential for severe weather. Any thunderstorms that form, especially in this yellow shaded area, will be capable of producing large hail, damaging winds, flooding rainfall. There's even going to be a low tornado threat as we head into this evening. But for Oklahoma City, this is what I've been tracking here over these past couple of hours. We had those showers, we had those storms pass through, but now as you can see over the past couple of hours, we're actually starting to see clearing across Oklahoma City, some sunshine peeking through. And what that's going to do, that's going to allow the atmosphere to recharge. And that's what's going to give us that additional severe threat as we head into this evening. And yeah, you can see this perfectly with our Rose State time lapse. The first part of this time lapse, you can see the waves of showers, the waves of thunderstorms, even some lightning. But over the past couple of hours, you can see blue skies, even the sunshine peeking through the clouds. And what that's going to do, that's going to allow our temperatures to get into the 80s, and it's going to allow the atmosphere to recharge for more thunderstorm chances, severe weather chances as we head into this evening. And our storm scanner visible satellite is showing just that, clearing here across western Oklahoma. We'll even see some 90s across southwestern parts of the state. And those thunderstorms I'm still tracking, those are going to continue to push their way to the east, but there's still going to be a threat of severe weather as we head into this evening. So overall, the storms are going to continue to work their way across eastern Oklahoma, but we will see some redeveloping thunderstorm chances here as we head into this evening. And the additional rainfall totals, the primary risk for flooding will be across northeastern Oklahoma. I'll continue to track that. But for Oklahoma City, as we head throughout the rest of today, clearing skies, highs in the 80s. But as we head into this evening, more shower, thunderstorm, and severe weather chances. But for today, take a look at this. Because we're going to see that break in the clouds and the sunshine, highs will make it into the 80s. We'll even see some mid-90s there across far southwestern parts of the state. So it is still going to be a very warm and muggy afternoon. But the main threat will be for that severe weather chance as we head into this evening. So for today, tracking more thunderstorm chances, strong winds and highs today in the 80s. We'll see a break in the rainfall for your Wednesday. Tomorrow will be partly cloudy, breezy, and warm. Highs in the upper 80s. On Thursday, tracking more thunderstorm chances back in the forecast for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, the official first day of fall. After that, a front will sweep its way through. That'll bring us some more fall-like temperatures with overnight lows in the 50s. But in the meantime, remain weather aware, and I'll keep you forewarned.